Hello, good morning students. Today in this video lecture we are going to study history of novel. The 18th century has gifted English literature two entirely new forms. One of those was the periodical essay and the other was novel. The periodical essay is a short work of non-fiction published in a magazine or journal in particular. It is an essay that appears as a part of a series. Novel is a fictitious prose narrative of book length, typically representing character and action with some degree of realism. Novel caught the spirit of 18th century as the age of intellectual, sentimental, realistic plan and tried to instruct the readers which would help them to a more purposeful and virtuous life. Since the time of its origin, novel has been gaining popularity and growing gradually. Today, it is recognized as the most dominant literary genre. Now, let's study the origin of the word novel. The present English word novel is derived from the Italian word novella, meaning new. A novella is the word which is originated from Italian novelle. Now, let's study the characteristics of novella. Novella is a type of prose fiction which is shorter than a full-length novel and longer than short stories. It focuses on one incident or issue with one or two characters and takes place at a single tradition. It is often satiric or realistic in tone. Let's focus on famous novellas in English. Famous novellas in English are The Heart of Darkness by Joseph Conrad, The Turn of the Screw by Henry James, Billy Budd by Herman Melville, Death of Venice by Thomas Mann, Seize the Day by Saul Bellow, Pearl by John Steinbeck. Now, let's study the term novel. Novel is relatively long narrative fiction which describes intimate human experience, normally in prose form. It is a long narrative work of fiction with some realism. Characteristics of novel. Novel narrates a story decorating with details of time, place, nature, people and their minds, their gestures. Novel creates a picture of contemporary society. It focuses on character development than plot. It has spirit of realism and denial of romantic features like enthusiasm, passion and imagination. It is easy to understand. Now, let's study history of novel. Novel has history of about 2000 years. We can find its origin during 2nd to 6th century and it can be seen in Greek romances. Greek romances are imaginative and delightful stories of ideal love and marvelous adventures. The threads of the novel can be seen in the following Greek romances: Virgil's Eclogus, Malory's Morte d'Arthur, Geoffrey Chaucer's The Canterbury Tales. Murasaki Shikibu's Tale of Genji, published in 1010, has been described as the world's first novel. Don Quixote, by Spanish writer Miguel de Cervantes, was first European novel published in two parts between 1605 and 1615. Reasons behind the rise of novel. After 1740, novel originated as the literary form in England, and the reasons behind the rise of this new form called novel are as below. Industrial Revolution. Due to Industrial Revolution, there was increase in trade and commerce. The second reason is a rise of middle class. Industrial Revolution had given rise to the middle class. A class of people had emerged to occupy an elite status. The realistic pictures of everyday life and problems of common people are depicted in the novels, which appealed the newly educated class and regarded by them as respectable reading material. The next cause is drama and poetry faded away. During this period, the literary forms like drama and poetry faded away as they were written only for kings and queens or for the upper classes. So, the new form of literature called novel existed. Novel as a form appears to have been designed for both to voice the aspirations of middle and lower classes and meet their longings. Thus, it was the prominent form in the 18th century and onwards to encompass the social, political, and cultural happenings and scientific progress. In this way, today we have studied the terms the periodical essay, novel, origin of the word novel, the term novella and characteristics of novella, the term novel and characteristics of novel. We have also studied history of novel and the reasons behind the rise of novel. In the next lecture, we will study 18th century major novelists and their novels, 20th century novelists, immigrant authors, women novelists, Indian scenario, and the elements of novel. Thank you.